Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 12, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 7.09. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 14.67% since we first recommended Meta as a buy candidate 25 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.59% since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $377.44, it indicates a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 17.14% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 4.96% and 18.06%. On a 12-month basis, the trend suggests a significant 91.22% change. This translates to a potential return between 68.82% and 113.44%, with a price range of $632.22 to $799.30 after a year. Our latest daily update for Meta brings you a stronger technical forecast for the Meta stock price after Friday's trading. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 12, 2024, the Meta stock price showed a gain of 1.3%, rising from $369.67 to $374.49. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $369.59 and a high of $377.06, experiencing a 2.02% variation. Over the past couple of weeks, the price has been fluctuating, but overall, there has been a 4.51% gain. Additionally, the volume of shares traded has increased alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical sign. In total, 1 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 18 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.82 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $377.06, while the lowest price was $132.14. Currently, the price is 0.68% or $2.57 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 2.56% or $9.84 below the all-time high, which was reached on September 1, 2021, with a price of $384.33. Today, let's talk about some recent analyst ratings for Meta. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Also on Monday, January 8, 2024, Raymond James gave Meta a strong buy grade with a hold action. Going back to Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action. And on that same day, November 20, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Monday, November 20, 2023, Wedbush once again gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Meta stock a general buy rating. They highly recommend investing in Meta, rating the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious view, giving the stock a neutral rating. Today, we're going to discuss the signals that have been identified for Meta stock. Both short and long-term moving averages show buy signals, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and declines, there will be support from the lines at $361.40 and $343.21. However, if it breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 29.87%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is a positive technical signal. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to keep an eye on. The moving average convergence divergence is currently showing a sell signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal that occurred 54 days ago. Bollinger is giving us a buy signal that happened just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal that was identified 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal that occurred 26 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal that happened 47 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average is showing a buy signal that was identified 25 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal that occurred 53 days ago. Finally, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal that happened 247 days ago. For more signals and insights, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta's stock has some key support levels to keep in mind. Just below today's level, there is support at $334.92 and $299.53. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the current support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Meta, the next support levels would be at $334.92, followed by $299.53 and $288.35. In terms of volatility, this stock has average movements during the day and good trading volume. This means the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the last day, the stock had a price range of $7.47 between its highest and lowest point, which is equivalent to a 2.02% change. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.41%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, let's start by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta's P/E ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or steady revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 7, 2024. This is an important date to keep an eye on. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $4.75. These figures can have a significant impact on the stock prices, so it's worth paying attention to them. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Meta. We'll start with the positive side. Meta currently doesn't face any significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. To take advantage of this opportunity, you may consider entering a position and monitoring volume to determine your exit point. On the downside, Meta has its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point for traders anticipating a rebound in the stock's price. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 9, 2024, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sell of 566 shares of Class A common stock. On January 10, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sell of 100 shares of Class A common stock. On January 10, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sell of 50 shares of Class A common stock. On January 10, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sell of 300 shares of Class A common stock. On January 10, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sell of 500 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -37.044. Overall, insiders purchased 67,761 shares and sold 148,024 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $360.93, which represents a decrease of 3.62%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 53 days ago. Is Meta stock a good investment? The current trend for Meta stock is positive, and as the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. This suggests that it could be a good choice at its current price level. Additionally, we expect further gains in the next 3 months. Based on our analysis, we have upgraded our conclusion from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Considering the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Tuesday, January 16th, we anticipate Meta stock to open down $0.777 and start trading at $373.71. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a definitive source for investment advice. By using the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at this stock and share our insights. We're excited to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What's your target for this stock? Let's dive in and explore together.